I'm here to ask a simple question. Now, where was Adam when the serpent came and convinced Eve to eat the fruit? The Bible says Adam was missing. He was nowhere to be found. He was not around. So that means when he came back, he was convinced too by the wife to do what? To eat the fruit. And when they ate the fruit, we know, every one of us know what happened. That they became naked, and when God asked him, Adam, where are you? Instead of asking, or instead of giving the right answer, he said, I'm naked. Instead of saying, I'm here and there, he's saying, I'm naked. And that was not the right question. So that means when the devil came and convinced Eve, Adam was missing. And we were not told where he was. And in today's life or today's setup, each one of us, we are in a family. Or for those ones who are married, we are in a family setup. We have our kids, we have our wife. And as a husband, the moment you miss in your family, the moment you get out of your family, the moment they don't see you around, that's where chaos starts in. The devil will come and try to convince your family, convince your kid, convince your wife, convince everybody around your family to do a bad decision. At the end of the day, things will go wrong. So what does that mean? That each one of us, since we are in a family setup, since we are in a family setup, and you are a father, you are the head of the house, as they say, that each one of us, we have to take that responsibility of being a father by taking care of our family, by taking care of our kids, by making sure our kids and our family, they are united. You make the right decisions and make sure you are always present in your family to avoid chaos, to avoid things that will not help your family, to avoid things that will destroy your family later on. So ladies and gentlemen, to men outside there, to men whenever you are, make sure that you do not miss in your family. Make sure you are present in that family. Make sure you make the right decision. You are part and parcel of decision making, so that when things go wrong, at least you do not blame people the way Adam blamed the wife or the woman that God provided to him. So ladies and gentlemen, it is my humble appeal for especially to men, let us make the right decisions and let us be present in our family. And to the ladies, kindly allow these men to be the head of the family. Kama hawataki, okay, nothing I can say, but give them that privilege, give them that opportunity to be the head of that wonderful family that each one of us, we longed to have. All the time you longed to have that beautiful family. So let the man be the man in the family, and let the wife be the wife in the family. So ladies and gentlemen, let's avoid what Eve and Adam did, and let's be present in our families. Men, take charge and take control of that family. Thank you so much. Bye.